Hey YouTube, what's up? I just thought I'd do an unboxing of my Zippos I just got today in the mail. It took like, 3 days? It took 3 days. We ordered them off the Zippo website. We're Ohio and they're in Pennsylvania, so I mean, it sure will be longer if you're in like California. But we got like the starter kit or whatever it's called with the fluid, mufflins and shit. And here's the one. Me and my girlfriend both got one, so I don't know which one this is. That's my girlfriend's right here. Let's see. There's like a butterfly and leaves on it. And I got the yin and yang. I got the sticker on the back, I can't open it. Alright, let's open this. Does it have a sticker on it or something? Yeah, it is. Oh, help me, man. Thank you. The hell is this? No. The fuck is this shit? The toilet paper?
No, it's probably...
Oh, you put your Zippo in there, look at that.
There might be extra stuff to put.
It might be toilet paper. No, just for packaging, I guess. I don't know.
It's a pretty nice size.
Yeah. Should last a while as long as you're not fucking squirting it all over. And then a little baby Flint thing. Oh, that's so cute.
Only like $6.
Yeah, this kit thing was only like $6, and my yin and yang Zippo was like 26, and my girlfriend's was 21. I can't get that out, motherfucker. So you can get that out. I'm not recording the chill out. Oh! Alright, there we go. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flints. It's pretty cool. And then we got Zippo lighter fluid. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace.